Guys, it's me, Tina Marie, Trimming of Radiance. Today's video, you seen the title. It is Bath & Body Works my annual sale haul. I'm so happy. The last video got such great responses. I thought y'all was gonna be so mad at me, but so many people said I went back. I can't help it. It's the sale. When it, you know, and it made me feel better that a lot of people are going back and it's not just me. Oh my goodness, because I was like, oh my god, is it just me that cannot stay out? But it's not just me, and I'm so happy I went in today because it was a scent I've been looking for and I've been wanting ever since last in my annual sale. I discovered the spray, and this in my annual sale so far I discovered the lotion, and then I finally found the body wash. And the thing is, I like this line so much, y'all. I didn't even get it 50% off. I mean 75% off. I got it 50% off. And y'all know I don't grab 50% off things. But I love the line so much, so I did. So let's just get into it. And show you guys what I got. There might be one more final one before the sale ends. Not sure. Again, if you order it online, Ebates, get cash back. Link below. But let's go ahead and start off with what I paid 50% off for. It's only 2 items because y'all know I don't pay 50% off. But this line, whew, Beach Nights. Oh my god. Beach Nights is life, y'all. Beach Nights is toasted marshmallows, sea salt, breeze, s'mores accord, beach driftwood, creamy vanilla. There's the packaging. Boom. I don't pay 50% off. I go for 75% off items. But this, honey had to have. And they had the body cream, but I already had the lotion at 75% off, so I wasn't going to pay 50% off for a body cream. Beach Nights Summer Marshmallow is life. I have 2 of them. Turn it around correctly. I got 2 of them, so I paid $12.50 for 2. And you know what? That's alright. I'm alright with that. This is the only time I'm gonna say I'm alright with that. Because these are amazing. I love this scent. Got 2 of the Georgia. Come on, Georgia. There we go. Focus, Georgia. The Georgia Peach and Sweet Tea. One for me, one for Liz, my co-worker. Because she needed a new lotion. So one for me, one for her. To put at our desk at work, and it smells really good, so I had to get it. And I got a Georgia Peach and Sweet Tea spray. I don't know if I already got this. I don't remember. And I was in the store, the lady was like, you can bring it back if you want. I'm like, no, if I already got it, I know somebody that'll take the extra one. But woo, I love the smell of this one. This one smells really good. The next $3.95, well, the last $3.95 item I got, this is Sweet Magnolia and Clementine. I don't know if I got the spray or not, but I do like the scent of it. It's Sweet Magnolia, Fresh Clementine, Blooming Gardenia, Spring Sandalwood, and Golden Honey. And it smells so good. I swear I'm going to be already set for the next of my annual sale. I really feel like I got enough stuff to last forever. Like, so yeah, that's the Sweet Magnolia and Clementine. So in love. But I didn't get the whole line because I didn't feel I needed it. I don't need none of this stuff, to be honest. Let's show you the $3 stuff. I got 2 $3 items. Wallflowers. I know one of my friends said that they didn't think the $3 wallflowers was a good deal, but I think they are, especially for the individuals, because the packs are like $7 for 2. So if I can get 2 for $6, I think that's a better deal. And I can get the ones I choose. Like the $2.95 sale is really good too. But we don't know when that's coming back. So since we don't know when that's coming back, you gotta take advantage of what you can get, right? Right. So I'm taking advantage of the $3 for right now. And pistachio and ice cream. I love pistachio and ice cream. I love pistachio and ice cream. So I picked up 2 more of those. Now the last few items in the bag. They're all 75% off. 75. Don't pay that regular price. Barely pay 50% unless you have to have something off the 50% table. If you don't have to have it, don't do it to yourself. Stay with 75% off. Because let me show you. And I used the 10 off 40. I used a 10 off 40. So like that joint was $6.25. Normally $12.50. But after you take the 10 off 40, actually took it down additional $131. So it took it down to $4.94. So I guess that's not too bad after you factor in the 10 off 40. The Clementine and all that, normally it was ringing up. God, these receipts are so hard to read. That's why I never read them to y'all. I don't even know, because this ain't even making sense. It just says, I'll just tell you at the bottom, it says total discount $112.22, total $40.90. So I saved $112. Who complaining? Not I. Anyway, I can't read that receipt. But anyway, those coming out to for something that's actually really good once you factor in the 10 off 40. So now I don't feel so bad for spending 50% off. But still, if you can stay away from 50% off, stay away, because you can get more for your money. 75% off table. Speaking of the 75% off table, I got Beautiful Day. Beautiful Day is one of my favorite scents from Bath & Body Works. One of the top 10. I'm gonna do a top 10 video this month. My top 10 favorite Bath & Body Works products. Doing that video this month. Doing it. That way you guys can see my top 10, because this is definitely up there. Beautiful Day smells amazing, and this is actually the Super Rich moisturizing body wash, and I love the Super Rich. Whew, I absolutely love it. It smells so good. Oh, it smells so good. Let me go over Beautiful Day, y'all. Beautiful Day, Sun-Kissed Apple, Sparkling, something I can't even spell, Cassis, Wild Daisies, Pink Peony, and Fresh Woods. Love it in the packaging. Super cute. When I seen it, I wanted to grab all of them, but I'm like, hold up. And I had like 2 more in my thing to grab, but then I seen Beach Nights and I said, hold up, and took it back. You know what I mean? And then I got a second Beautiful Day. Like, I'm serious. Beautiful Day is my favorite. One of my favorite scents. So I got 2 of those. And I got the Foam and Sugar Scrub. The Foam and Sugar Scrub normally $16.50, guys. Remember I got the Beautiful Day with my free items or whatever? Now I have more Beautiful Day. 75% off. Come on. This is a deal. This is a steal, y'all. 75% off the foaming scrub. The last one I got for free, so you know. But this is 75% off. That's still good. And here's the second one. And when I tell you I have 4 of these and then 4 of the body washes in my thing, I have 4 of them and 4 of the body washes ready to go. Rest to go. And then I seen Beach Nights and everything just said, hold up. They don't love you like I love you. Okay? Slow down. They don't love you like I love you. And I had to go ahead and grab up Beach Nights. I'm so serious. I'm so serious. Like, Beach Nights is that good. Like, I had fun. Like, this semi-annual sale is a lot better than last year. A lot of people say last December's, like, I usually hate the winter SAS. It's normally terrible to me, because they normally only have holiday scents on sale. And I'm like, I don't know damn holiday scents. But this year, I'm finding way more than holiday scents. And y'all want to know why I go in stores? Because different stores have different things and different deals. Because I could not find this body wash anywhere. And I went to this store like in Georgetown 2 days ago. Didn't have it. Didn't have next to nothing. Went in there today. They must got a shipment yesterday, honey. And they was in there. So that's why you go in stores. You look for gems. I mean, if you can. If the stores aren't far away from you. If stores are 30, 45-minute drive, I don't say go to a whole bunch of stores. You're going to use a whole tank of gas. And you could just order it online. But if the store is close, go to the store. Because I got the best deals I think I've gotten all sale. All sale. I think I got my best deals today. I really do. Like, out of everything, man, getting this made like the SAS for me. Getting the Beach Nights Summer Marshmallow Shower Gel made the sale for me. Like, I'm sorry, that made the sale. Like, I know I got all this other stuff, but this made the sale worth it to me, just to be able to get that. And it's been a good sale. Like, I've been seeing some of you guys saying you're spending $100 each trip. y'all might see quite a bit of stuff. I ain't spend $100 each trip, but some of y'all are, and y'all got it like that, man. I've been seeing some huge hauls, man, but I just can't spend that much. So like each time I go, I do a 10 off 40, and that's how they keep getting me, because oh, I would have killed it with a 10 off 30. They knew how to get more product. But yeah, the 10 off 40s, yeah, that's how I shop. And normally if I can't get up to the $40, I go ahead and save my receipts. That way I can get an adjustment, you know, within the 2-week period, and then they just give you the little adjustment back, and that way you don't feel cheated. But normally I do spend each time I go 40 and do my transactions. So I think you guys have seen 5 hauls. This is 6. So 6 times I spent 40. And then let me add this up. We're gonna add this together, see how much I done paid. 6 times I did 40, and then I get 10 off. So with tax it's like 34. 34 times 6, $204 is how much I spent throughout the entire sale. That's not bad. That's not bad at all. I haven't spent that much. $204, and each time I go I save at least at the low end $110. So 110, you times that by 6, $660 savings, only spent $204. That's not bad. So I might give another go for a 10 off 40 one more again before the end of the sale. I don't know, y'all. I'm not gonna say never say never, because Joanna told me never say never, and she right, because I keep watching y'all and I keep going back. I keep watching y'all, I keep going back. But I don't know. I might go back one more again, because I know once the sale's over I ain't gonna be able to go in that much, because I don't care about those regular price normal stuff that they already had. Like one time this guy came in, it was in the winter, and like they're doing the 550 body mist that day. He went in there and grabbed one vanilla beam Noel shower gel to get wrung out, and the lady said it's $13.50 plus tax, so it came out to $13.86 or something. And I looked at him like, this fool paying $13.86 for one body wash. And he paid and left, because he don't understand. I'm like, you paying $13.86 for one body wash? And here I am. I think at the time I had a 10 off 20. I mean a 10 off 20, a 10 off 30. And I'm about to just spend like $22 and get $30 worth of stuff. So, but there's a lot of people like that don't know about the deals, and that's how Bath and Body Works get money. But not today, not off me. I know the deals. So I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. Sun's starting to go down, so it's looking weird on me. So I'm gonna get off here. Remember, rate, comment, subscribe, and again, if you made a video, the SAS, or if you just bought stuff, let me know what you guys got. I'm looking to know what you guys got. Maybe it's something I need to be on the lookout for, because I will be looking. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.